Hello, my name is Jason Humphrey, and welcome to my next video on my Thinkful playlist. This video is all about getting started. One of the key things you can take away from me and just listening to what I'm saying out of all my videos, this is one that I hope you take away. It's that getting started is the utmost important thing. I say that because I see too many times people spinning their gears on, I don't understand the documentation. Oh, I don't understand logic. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, and lots of excuses. And at the same time, lots of people accepting mediocrity. And I know it's hard to hear, but it's the truth. The best thing you can do for yourself is to just get started. Start writing something. Start putting some code down to paper, right? And once you start getting it, it generally starts flowing. And whether it's the best way or not, I don't care, because what I want to see is the code working, regardless if it's the worst possible way in the world. You have 5 for loops all nested, but if it gets the problem done the first time, I don't care. I want to see something working. That is the most important thing, and that is because that will save you time down the road. Easiest thing to do once you have got it started and working is to refactor. People don't think about that. People think, oh, I got to make it perfect the first time. That is not the case. Refactoring is really not that bad, because once you write some code, the first couple times you refactor it one way, next time you come back, you're going to instantly look and go, oh, I can switch that out for a Lodash utility or something of the nature. I can use the map there, or I can use a reduce, whatever it might be. So don't worry about that. We can refactor later. But once you get it up and working, the next thing you should focus on are any potential bugs you have or you've seen, or anything in the console log you see down there, right there. Yeah, that, where it's all nice and red and you see some lines and some code. That's what you need to go fix right after getting it working or getting it running. Once you fix the bugs, that's when we start refactoring. That's when you look and analyze, okay, I have 10 lines here. How can I put this into 5? Is it efficient? Is it worth my time? Is it worthwhile? Yes, no. And if you don't know how to answer those questions, by all means, go ask a mentor. Go to a Q&A session. Ask your mentor to do a code review with you. So, because once you start doing the process of getting it working, fix the bugs, refactor, it ends up being kind of a circular process where it's rinse and repeat. You build, you fix, you refactor. Build, fix, refactor. And then even then, you could go through a couple iterations of refactoring, which is totally fine. So I also want to make sure I take the time to say, please don't ever expect the code to be perfect the first time around. It never will be, it never has been, and it's never going to be. Now, once you get past the learning stages of getting something down and getting it refactored and fixed, once you get a little higher up in the curriculum or even further in the course, then you can start looking at things like generators and templates, so that you don't have to start from total scratch and you don't have to put something down you don't know. You can take from examples and templates. That will really help you down the road, and that's just a little tidbit for the end that you can do. But I want to point out and leave this video with this note. Getting started is crucial, and it can make or break how much time you truly will spend on this. So, word from the wise, get started, get it working any way possible.